Good morning, students. This is Miss Wong again. Well, today we are going to see how to find radius from arc length and angle of setter. So let's have a review on how to find arc length of a setter. Well, given that given a circle. Okay, very bad circle. I'm sorry. Okay, given a circle, again very bad. Given a circle with radius RCM. Well, if I now cut a setter from it with angle theta, then how to find the length of this curve? We call it the arc. So for this arc, we can name it just arc AB by writing really writing down the word ARC, or we can also use symbol to represent it is AB with a symbol upon it. Okay, so the arc length is equal to, like when we find circumference of the circle, 2 pi r. But now it only occupies part of it, and the part is equal to is proportional to the angle at center, to 360 degree. So to find arc length actually is very similar as you are finding circumference of a circle, 2 pi r, but you need to multiply by a fraction, which is theta, the angle at center, over 360. Right? So let's go to see today's example. Well, you're going to find the radius of this setter where the angle at center is 63 degrees, and what is more is you are given the perimeter of the shaded region is 60 cm. So which part is the perimeter of the shaded region? Well, it's here. The shaded region is the green part, and its perimeter, 周界, means, of course, the arc AB plus OA plus OB. So read the question carefully. This time you're giving the perimeter, not just the arc length. It is equal to AB, arc AB plus OB plus OA. Well, this part, OB, is just the same as a radius, RCM, as well as OA, RCM. How about the part RAB? Well, let's read here again. So, the RAB is equal to 2 pi r multiplied by the angle at center divided by 360 degree. Okay, so all together, this part is the perimeter, which is 60 cm. Right? So we are going to set up equation to solve R. So let's get started. Well, the perimeter is equal to 60 cm, and it is equal to 2 pi r times 60 over 360 plus r, which is equal to 60. Alright? So to simplify this equation, you may first of all, r plus r, we can make it 2r. Alright? And you can use calculator to calculate what is 2 times 60 over 360. Okay, let's do it together. So it's 1 over 3. That means pi r times 1 over 3 plus 2r is equal to 60. Right? What seems very complicated. So how can I keep solving it? Well, you see that there is a common factor R, right? Let's factorize the left hand side. Well, I want you to get a paper to write down the factorization of the left hand side. Can you? I'm going to give you 3 seconds. Okay, after taking out R, the first term you have pi times 1/3. The second term you have positive 2. Okay, to find R, I make the left hand side just R and the right hand side 60 divided by this number. Okay, and then get your calculator to calculate this part. Remember to input the open bracket and close bracket as well. So let's do it together. And the pi, use a pi key in your calculator. Well, in your calculator, it shows this number. And what significant figures should I take it to? Let's go back to the question. Correct to 3 significant figures. That means in this case, I will make R 19.7. Yes. So just write down the answer. In this case, R equals 19.7. Alright, so that's all for today. Well, I know this example is a little bit challenging. You may need to watch it again. And I hope that you can finish today's assignment. Thank you.